What if I told you these bananas were growing on our tree a couple weeks ago? Today, Kevin is harvesting green fresh banana from our backyard. I am turning them into delicious Jamaican dinner with boiled dumpling and ackee and saltfish. Let's go from backyard to dinner table. Hi everyone, welcome back to KK's Kitchen and More. If you are new here, my name is Kenisha. On this channel, I share Jamaican recipe, backyard harvest, and simple home cooking. If that's your kind of content, don't forget to subscribe. If you have been watching our backyard videos, you might remember this banana tree. We are watching this banana growing over the past weeks, and today is finally harvest day. Kevin is going to cut one hand and we are turning it into tonight's dinner. Our banana tree has been doing really well, and today we are finally harvesting 1.5 banana. Kevin is helping me to cut them because tonight dinner starts right here in our backyard. One of the things I enjoy most is being able to grow some of our own food. There's just something satisfying about harvesting fresh produce and taking it straight into the kitchen. We only take in one hand today, so the rest will continue growing. Look how beautiful and fresh these bananas are. Now that we have harvested our bananas, let's head inside and get dinner started. Fresh banana like these don't need much, just a good wash before cooking. I am not going to cook all this banana, I'm just cooking 6. So just 6, 3 for Kevin, 3 for me, okay? And I'll put up the rest to cook again in the week. So what I'll do is just cut the top and just core it, go down to the bottom, cut the bottom and peel. Some people don't do it like this. What they do is just cut the top, the bottom, core it and leave it to boil in the skin. And after it boils, they take it from the skin.
Ackee Saltfish sing with the seasoning we got. Tomato, thyme, and pepper filling up the room. Every bowl says home, every spoon says bloom. Family gather close tonight. Laughter floating through the light. With every plate and grateful prayer, we feel the maker in the air. From our backyard to the dinner table, every meal is made with love. KK's Kitchen and More, sharing Jamaica one plate at a time. From our backyard to the dinner table, we give thanks for all we have.
Let me know in the comment section if you peel your banana or you boil it in the skin. This is what I'm doing here. After putting in the banana, I'm squeezing some lime juice. You can also put some oil, and what this does is to prevent the banana from being black. Okay? Yes, very good act, guys. I am boiling the fresh green banana along with some homemade dumplings. I also have some leftovers ackee from earlier, and instead of letting it waste, I am going to serve it for dinner tonight. Sometimes the simplest meal are the most comforting. This is the kind of meal many of us grow up on here in Jamaica.
We give thanks for all we have. KK's Kitchen and More, homegrown joy in every bite. When the world moves fast, we return to what is true.
Everything is ready. Fresh boiled banana, soft homemade dumpling, and flavorful ackee and saltfish. The banana is perfectly cooked, the dumpling is soft, and the ackee and saltfish brings everything together. You really can't beat a meal made with fresh food from our own backyard. I hope you enjoyed today's journey from our backyard to our dinner table. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment and subscribe to KK's Kitchen and More if you haven't already. I'd love to know, have you ever harvested banana or any other food from your own backyard? Tell me in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless you. Walk good.